So today we got a 2012 Nissan Murano. Customer brought it in, said the idle's been running rough, been misfiring. So I was like, I got you. Let me see what I can do. So on these Nissan Muranos, you have to take off the whole intake manifold to get to the back spark plugs. So we took off the intake, covered everything up, and as I start looking, one of the coil packs isn't plugged in. So that could mean one thing, obviously it's misfiring because, one coil pack's not plugged in, or it still needs new coil packs and new spark plugs. So I'm gonna put it all back together, see if we can get the engine to stop misfiring. But this will save the client some money instead of changing, OEM spark plugs.